All right, y'all, we got the TL outside. So this is the cut I did that y'all saw. So she's straight single, and we're trying to get a flame out this bitch. So the next thing, say what's up, Brody.
What's good, what's good?
Yeah, it's my guy right here, man. If y'all need to tap in, tap in. I don't got glass welding no more. It's my new glass right here. Outside right now. So pretty much what he's doing right now, he's cutting off the pipe. Then we're just gonna add a cat. I mean, a cat fucking delete. We're gonna add a pipe. I'm saying a cat. We're doing a cat delete, and he's already damn near done. Thirsty. Oh, gee, get some gloves. He's about to bun up. About to have the full fresh cat delete, y'all, on the J35. Y'all got the cat right. Y'all see how it goes, man. We're gonna put his links in the description and all that. You got Instagram too? No Instagram?
I'm about to make one now.
All right, when you make it, we're gonna put your shit. But what do you want me to put? Your phone number or something?
Yes, sir.
All right, bet. What's your number? Go ahead.
470.
Okay.
265.
Okay.
43. And then 52.
All right, 4352. Yeah, this. Yo, welds is all finished, y'all. My guy blessed it. Clean ass welds, bro. Clean ass welds. Clean, clean, clean.
Could be better.
There's always room for improvement, right? As men, we got room, but from what I'm seeing right here, bro, this is perfect. Yes, Sirski. He got me right, y'all. So we're gonna tap in with him again. We're gonna come back for the pre-cat delete, which is this right here. We got this cat next. If I don't get my flame, let me get out his way so he can lower the car, get the clips.